My question will be directed to the team leader, who is the team leader on September 16, Colonel Guevara.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Thank you for
You were there in the area of the incident, right?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Tama naman yung sinimulan nyo. September 15, kumuha kayo ng search warrant, right?
Yes, Mr. Chair, with my deputy staff as the applicant, Mr. Chair.
Okay, on September 16, doon, you implemented the search warrant.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Nung inimplementan yung search warrant, ikaw ba nandoon sa 18th floor, particularly room 1811?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Nung pumasok kayo doon, may nakuha na kayo, di ba? May nakuha kayong pera. And
Yes,
you and your deputy alleged that tama yung ginagawa niyo.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Wala ho kayong mali sa paningin ninyo.
On my personal what's it opinion, Mr. Chair.
Wala kayong ginawa mali. O may lapses ba?
On the part of operational procedure, maybe there's a lapses, Mr. Chair.
Ano?
And the operational procedure, Mr. Chair, admittedly there's a...
May lapses kayo.
Yes,
si Deputy Team Leader Quijana, sir, sabi ni Team Leader ninyo, procedural lapses meron daw. Do you admit that?
Apo, Your Honor.
Okay. Sino ba yung kumakandak ng spot report? Sa team ninyo, sino yung humawak na nakita ninyong pera? Sa team ninyo?
If I may, Mr. Chair, to elaborate, before the operation, Mr. Chair, I divided the whole...
Sino yung humawak ng seized article?
14, Mr. Chair, and it was led by Major Quijana, the one who, together with the seizing officer, Mr. Chair.
Okay, sino yung seizing officer?
I may direct the team leader of the seizing team, Mr. Chair.
Sino nga?
Your Honor, si Kalupas,
Ito na lang tanong ko. Quijana, nung nandun kayo sa 1811, magkanong pera ang nakuha o na-seize ninyo?
4.1,
4.1
4.6 million.
4.6 million.
Your Honor.
Do you stand on that statement?
Yes, Your Honor. 4.6 po muna yung unang inventaryo namin doon.
Okay, sa inventaryo niyo sa loob, 4.6. And you will stand to your feet na 4.6 lang talaga ang nakuha ninyong pera doon sa loob ng 1811.
Your Honor, meron pa po na nakuha bukod po doon sa 4.6 million na in-inventaryo po sa opisina. Yun po yung 20 million.
Yung nakuha niyong pera, 4.6 million, right? Right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Dahil sa sinabi mong 4.6, punta tayo doon sa seizing officer ninyo. Di ba after the arrest, after seizing the articles, subjects in the area, may spot report kayo. Saan at sino ang gumawa ng spot report?
Yung investigador po namin, si Master Sergeant Dilayon.
Dilayon. Saan siya ngayon? Nandito? Please, spot report officer Dilayon.
Dilayon, go ahead. You can answer back, please.
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair.
Ikaw yung spot report officer, di ba, Mr. Sir Dilayon?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kasama ka ba nung operation na yan?
Yes, Your Honor.
Nung sabi ni Quijana, ngayon lang, na 4.6 million yung nakuha yung pera doon sa 1811, di ba gumawa ka ng spot report na 4.6 million lang ang natanggap at nakuha mo?
Yes, kasi yun lang po talaga yung orderly search at iniharap sa akin na ebidensya.
Yun ang tinurn over sa'yo
yes,
ng arresting and seizing officer.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yun ang tinurn over sa'yo ni Sir Kalupas.
Yes, and I have no personal direct knowledge doon sa...
Alam ko,
yes.
Wala kang personal knowledge on how they operated inside the room 1811.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ang role mo lang, tumanggap ka ng seized article galing from the raiding team.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ang tinanggap mo, 4.6 million.
Yes po.
Yun ang nakareport na pinarmahan mo.
Drafting of report lang po, Your Honor. Ang signatory is our chief. Yes, Your
Yeah,
Honor.
spot report yan.
Yes po.
From
Your
the time of the raid or searching of the 1811, anong oras mo prepare yung spot report, Sir Dilayon?
Pagdating po namin ng opisina, Your Honor, sa around 8 a.m. po ng September 16.
Okay.
Yes po.
Yun po ang role mo. Dinraft mo at
Yes.
binigay mo kanino?
Kay Sir Lieutenant Colonel Guevara po, our chief. Yes,
Sir Guevara,
Chief
napirmahan mo ba yung spot report?
That right there and then after the drafting of the spot report, I consulted the
Napermahan mo ba?
hindi pa po agad na permahan, Mr. Chair.
Napermahan mo ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Anong oras mo pinirmahan?
Uh, around 10 a.m., Mr. Chair.
Okay. Nung lumabas na yung mga babae na Chinese, nagreklamo na, ang sabi nila, 100 million pesos ang nakalagay doon sa vault na yan. At saka lumabas na sa article, newspaper article, lumabas na yung merong nawawalang pera. From the spot report na 4.6 million, lumabas yung 27 million. From the investigation, ang tawag naman ito ngayon, first progress report. Kung hindi dumaan sa newspaper at saka hindi lumabas yung first progress report, magiging 4.6 million yan. Dahil sa first progress report, nagbago yung spot report ninyo from 4.6 million, naging 27 million. Ngayon, Sir Quijana, ano ba ang totoo? 4.6 million lang talaga nakuha ninyo o sobra sa 4.6 million?
Sobra po sa 4.6 million, Your Honor.
Okay. Dahil sobra sa 4.6 million, bakit hindi niyo sinali yung sobra doon sa spot report? Bakit ang tinon-over ninyo doon kidilayon, 4.6 million lang? Anong ginawa ninyo sa sobra ng 4.6 million?
Your Honor, dinala po sa opisina kasi nag-iimbestiga pa po kami noon sa human trafficking. Doon, tapos,
Kinala niyo sa opisina. Bakit hindi niyo sinali sa spot report? Yun ang tanong ko. Please answer, Sir Quijana. Bakit hindi niyo sinali yung buong 27 million doon sa spot report? Bakit biniyak niyo siya? Bakit 4.6 million lang ang inuna ninyo na magiging report ni Sir Dilayon?
Your Honor, I was only the deputy team leader. Siguro, sir, yung team leader ko, sir, ang tanongin natin.
Okay, Sir Guevara, bakit nangyari iyon?
Good afternoon once again, Mr. Chair. When I was informed that there was recovered money, Mr. Chair, and the operation was already done, we decided based on the I seek the advice of the investigator if it can be possibly be part of the possible case of
Okay.
Mr. Chair.
It is your admission na hindi lang 4.6 million, 27 million yan.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Saan nyo nilagay yung 4.6 million? Ibang bag. Yung sobra, saan nyo nilagay?
It was in the I cannot recall, Mr. but there's the team that is under the we're in the seizing officer. They are the one who knows where
Okay. Seizing officer, punta tayo doon kay Demokrito. Sir Demokrito,
Yes, sir.
ikaw daw humawak sa sobra ng 4.6 million.
Opo.
Saan mo dinala?
Sa DSOU office po.
Bakit hindi mo tinurn over sa spot report officer ninyo?
Ang decision po niya kasi nila, sir, sila na po. Basta ang
Sinong sila?
mga officers po namin.
Sino nga?
Sila Sir Guevara, Sir Quijana. Ang sa akin na po is nautusan lang po ako, nadalhin na lang po yun sa office kasi parang may relation po yun doon sa human trafficking.
Okay. Sino ngayon ang nag-segregate ng 4.6 million para ma-turn over sa spot report officer?
Doon pa lang po sa ano, ang alam ko po na kuha na po yun, na inventory na po yung 4.6 million ng mga seizing officer po.
Okay. So doon sa inventory, doon yan na-segregate.
Apo.
Kaya pinatay yung body worn camera.
Hindi ko na po alam.
Hindi mo alam.
Apo.
So ang dinala mo, yung sobra ng 4.6 million.
Apo.
So magkano talagang dala mo?
Nung binila na po namin, nasa 54 bundles po kasi yun. So, inassume po namin nasa 500,000 per bundle po. So, pumapatak po siya ng 27 million po.
27 million.
Apo.
Including the 4.6 million na tinurn over nyo sa spot
Hindi po,
report.
separate po yan.
Separate. So this must be more than 27 million. So pwedeng maging totoo yung sabi ng Philippine Star o Filipino Star na sinabi ng mga Chinese na this is worth 100 million search incident.
Hindi ko po masasagot yan, Your Honor. Kasi yun na po yung inventory ko.
Ang dala mong pera 27 million.
Apo.
Tapos meron pang 4.6 million. That's more than 27 million.
Yes, Your Honor. Hindi
Congressman,
po namin
Labisaga,
dinideny yun, Your Honor.
Maputo lang kita for a while. Sa nakuha namin mga report, actually siguro mga 64, no? 64 million dun sa nag-withdraw yung Chinese, no? But I think nag-withdraw sila around July. So nangyari yung operation September. So maybe nabawasan yun somehow along that line, no? But basically siguro yung 100 baka medyo mataas na yung report na yun. But basically siguro from 64 down, maaaring nandun yung area na nawawala. Go ahead.
So, talagang may lapses because it is already admitted by your team leader, may lapses. Ang problema lang, how intentional is the lapse committed? baka sobra naman yung intention naman itakbo talaga yung pera. Kasi kung hindi nag-intervene si DSOW for the first progress report, hindi maibabalik yung 27 million na dala-dala mo.
Congressman Gonzaga,
Yes, sir.
will you allow the PNP personnel to
Okay.
answer the question?
Sir, good afternoon.
Okay.
I am PCG Genesis Luis, one of the investigators, sir, in this operation. Sir, the real scenario, sir, is sa pagkatapos po ng ano namin, sir, ng operation is wala pong dumating na pera sa DSOE office. At yung dalawa po naming official, sir, si Police Lieutenant Colonel Guevara at saka Police Major Quijana is hindi po dumating sa office. That's why po, sir, naggantay po kami na dalawa ng investigador kung anong gawin, kaya po late po yung spot report. Tapos yung 27 po is hindi po in-include agad yun, Your Honor. Kasi na-include na po yun, ginawa na lang po ng antidate na nakipag-away pa po kami. Actually, nagtalo po kami na hindi na po namin gagawin yun. Kasi kami ni Major Quijana, kasi late na po masyado eh. It is violation po ng operation, Your Honor. But yun nga po, pinipilit nyo rin po yung searcher na pumirma na sila yung nakakuha doon sa pera. But insisted po, Your Honor, na hindi po pwede kasi yun nga po. Tapos sininsist niya po na kukunin niya si Democrito mag-act na siya yung nakakita doon sa pera po.
Ibig nyo sabihin walang perang dumating sa inyo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ganun ba?
Yes,
So,
Your Honor.
paano kayo nakagawa ng draft ng spot report na wala kayong article na
Yung
hinawakan?
4.6 lang po, Your Honor. Yung 27 po, hindi po dumating
Ang
sa office.
dumating sa inyo, 4.6 million lang.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ayun ang dumating sa inyo.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Kasi in-isolate nila yung 27 million.
Yes, Your Honor.
Totoo yan, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
And then may intervention si Quijana na talagang yun ang panindigan ninyo, 4.6 million lang.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, ngayon lumabas na sobra pala ng 4.6 million.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh. So yan ang klaro, Mr. Quijana. Sir Quijana, di ba? So, Mr. Quijana, sino ang nag-utos kay Democrito na dalhin yung pera na 27 million?
Yung aming pong team leader, Your Honor. Si Sir Guevara po.
So, Sir Guevara, bakit may decision ka na hindi turn over yung 27 million dun sa spot report officer ninyo?
Turnover po, Mr. Chair.
After,
It was during the operation, Mr. I was the overall team leader, but I divided the team into four. That was security and that's actual searcher, and then that belongs to the team of Major Quijana. But when I was informed during the operation, I was informed that there was a money. Then I consulted the investigator. What you gonna do with the money?
simplify natin na,
Yes,
simplify natin. Yung spot report, ginawa nila umaga ng September 16.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes, Your Honor.
4.6 million. Hindi nyo tinurn over yung 27 million, dinala nyo pa, pinadala nyo pa, kay Sir Democrito yung pera.
Yes,
Kailan at anong araw, anong oras nyo pinaturn over yung 27 million doon sa DSOW, sa DSOU?
Yes, Mr. Chair, if I may. Right after the operation, Mr. Chair, I proceeded directly to the office, to the quarters of our former district
Anong
director.
araw, anong oras?
Around 7 a.m., Mr. Chair.
Ng,
Ng the following day, September 16, Mr. Chair. On that day mismo, Mr. Chair.
Sir,
Your Honor, yung 27 million po, nakita po namin yan nung Sunday evening,
anong araw yan?
September 17,
See?
ng alas 10 ng gabi.
Ano ba totoo talaga,
Yes, Mr.
Sir Guevara?
Let me explain, Mr. Chair.
Sige.
Pagkatapos po ng operation, Mr. Chair, I boarded yung sasakyan nila Major Quijana. Then hindi na ako dumiretso sa opisina because hinintay ko po yung district director ko, Mr. Chair. Right after that, lumabas ako sa sasakyan, Mr. Hindi ko na po alam yung nangyari, Mr. Because I'd go directly to the quarters of my former district director, Mr.
Okay,
Chair.
sige, thank you. Sir Nartates, please. This is about procedures. Sabi ng procedure natin, kung may searching activity, o tawagin na lang natin na operation, kung may makuha kayong article or search article, the procedure says you have to conduct spot report and there will be an officer who will sign that report. After that, yun ang magiging report ng operating team doon sa higher up nila. In this case, biniyak yan ni Colonel Guevara. Wala silang turn over na 27 million kung hindi 4.6 million lang doon sa spot report officer. Nagreklamo ang spot report officer na hindi pwede yan. Ngayon, do you think ang sabi ni Quijana, sabi ni Guevara, tama ang ginawa nila? May pera, kaya lang na-delay ang pag-report. Anong take ninyo ito ngayon? Anong take ninyo sa PNP? Did they follow the standard operating procedure ng police operation or just a mere lapse or this is a clear robbery? Sir Natates.
In my appreciation of the investigation conducted, it is a plain robbery, Your Honor. And it is the report that I have approved. That's why right now, that case, every planting of evidence, perjury, and several others, it is being resolved or investigated under summary hearing proceedings at the National Capital Regional Police Office, Your Honor.
So, Sir Quijana, narinig mo po, it is not a simple commission of a lapse, but this is an intention to commit a crime, and that is robbery. Hindi ka ba magbabago sa testimonya mo ngayon? Do you stand firm on your testimony?
Your Honor, kasi po nasampahan na po kami ng kaso sa administrative tsaka po sa ombudsman. Sasagutin na lang po namin doon lahat ng mga reklamo laban sa amin, Your Honor. Kasi ano po.
Demokrito,
Yes, Your Honor.
narinig mo na yung si General Nartates.
Opo.
Hindi ka ba magbabago sa testimonya mo?
Hindi na po. Meron po akong mga in-execute po mga salaysay at depensa po dun sa sa sinampang kaso sa amin sa ombudsman, Your Honor.
Sir Guevara.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Umani naman ito ng iba't ibang reaksyon mula sa ating mga netizens. Ayon kay Arnolfo Pastrana, keep the army moving and let them to join patrol with the police in the barangay. Why giving more responsibility to the police when the army is nothing to do and receiving same salary with the police? Pahayag naman ni Darsky Kuhutan, nakakahiya ang mga ganitong klaseng mga pulis, sana mabulok kayo sa bilangguan. At ito naman ang saloobin mula sa ating kababayan na si Gabriel Bico, pulis na naman, magpapalusot lang sila dyan. Magaling yan sila magsinungaling, dapat tanggalin na lang pag may kalokohan. Mga kababayan, feel free to comment below para maglabas ng saloobin sa balitang ito.